One of the most important things for all new traders to do is to trade with the trend and to have an idea when and where that trend is likely to stall and reverse. One of our statistical based tools that measures every currency to every other one is called the FX Power Index. Right click on our chart settings, click on Add Studies, and go down to FX Power Index. And what this tool does is it measures the percentage of currencies trending up or down based on various moving averages. If you're a short-term trader, you might want to see the percentage of currencies trending above the 5-minute bar's 20-period average. Click Add Study. It will download the data, and it will show you that. Anytime 80% or more of the currencies are trending up, in other words, in this case, the euro versus the dollar's going up, which you can clearly see on this chart. The euro yen's probably going up, euro pound's going up, euro Swiss, euro CAD, euro Australian, and so forth, and most of the dollar pairs are being weak, then you're going to see strength above the 80 line, and that trend's likely to continue up. The first sign of heavy weakness was right here. It retraced back up, and then it continued down. There's many ways to use this in your trading, and you can use multiple time frames depending on whether you're a short-term scalper and you're looking to make 5 to 30 pip moves, or you're looking to get into trends that last hours or days. Let's look at the percentage of currencies trending up or down based on the hourly. Change this back to our default. And at this point, a very high percentage of euro pairs are above their hourly 20-period average, and dollar pairs are weak. And you can see it trended up. Right here, there's a little back and forth as currencies drop and go back above the hourly moving average. Then once it goes back underneath there, it trends down. Let's look at various currencies and show you how well this tool works. You can see, for one, there's not a high percentage of pound pairs that are above their hourlies, and it's no wonder that this one had a hard time going up. Once it finally broke down, you can see the trend intensified. Euro yen was green the whole time. You look for buys and it goes up. You can see right here, over 80% of euro pairs were strong and yen pairs were weak. And you get in on this pullback with your stop underneath here. And always the Fibonacci profit target is a great place to look for exits. And the whole key to trading is small losses and bigger wins. Not all of your trades are going to be big wins. In fact, a small percentage of them will be more than 20 pips. 10 to 15% of your trades, statistically based on our research, are big runaway moves, and the rest of the winning trades are small 5 to 15 to 20 pip wins. You want to maintain your losses always less than 10 or 15 pips, and move your stop to break even as frequently and as soon as you can. This tool lets you do some other things as well. You can draw a color strip on the bottom of the chart, and this has 11 shades of red and green that show you how strong or weak that trend is. And you can also plot the statistical trend right on the candle bars. And you can see the darker the green, the stronger it is. And it's pulling back here, and the statistical strength starts to disappear. And now you can see it's weak, and it trends down. Traders that use this on their charts typically use a faster time frame so that they can more precisely time their entries and exits. Most traders that are scalping either use 5 minutes here or 3 minutes. And you can see, the trend starts to go up, pulls back, you get in, and whenever you get into a trade and you see the bar color goes green, it increases the odds of that trade working. When it pulls back out, down, you get out with a decent profit on that case if you got in again, and therefore again. You can see now the bars aren't going green again. So if you had bought this pullback right here, you're going to have a break-even trade or a small win, or more likely you're going to have a losing trade there as the trend no longer continues up. So now you're looking for some sells. You might sell this little up move here and go short, and that trade didn't really pan out that much either. You might get out of this with a small loss or break even. And then it goes up and it's green, and then you can see it comes down again. You'll be looking to buy this pullback, but guess what? It breaks this swing low, the bar colors stay red, and therefore you're looking now for shorts. Anytime it makes lower lows and lower highs, that's also a very good sign of potential trend direction. This tool also is one of the components of our total strength, Intellitrend, and other statistical trend tools where we weight and average together different statistical trend tools in different time frames into one composite reading, making it slightly easier for traders to find the strongest and weakest currency pairs to trade.